Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm finally going to be doing a winged eyeliner tutorial. I'm going to be doing the wing liner that I do on a daily basis whenever I wear makeup. I do like the same thin, very classic, it's a very simple cat eye winged liner. So if you're interested in seeing that tutorial, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start with my right eye already done, and I'm going to be doing my left eye on camera so you guys can see how I make my wings every day. I'm going to be using the ELF Expert Liquid Liner, which is my favorite eyeliner, but mine is currently falling apart and I'm probably going to have to throw it away after this video because, yeah, this part almost broke off when I was twisting it back on earlier, so great. I don't think there are any quick tips on how to get a perfect wing liner in the first try, but this is a simple way that I've learned to do it. I definitely still think it takes a lot of practice to actually do what I'm about to show you. It took me a lot of practice and I had a lot of bad wings in my days. Trust me. Alright, so if you're interested in learning how I get my wings all the time, then prepare yourself. Here it comes. Something that I have found that is very important to getting the correct angle of your wing liner is to look down at your mirror. That way your eyelid is kind of, closed and you're looking down because it makes it a lot easier. Other than if your eyes open, you're going to be going way further up than you want to. Because for me, I personally take the line more outward rather than up. Alright, so as you guys can see, it just goes more outward rather than up. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to line my lashes with a very, very thin line. If you guys can see, I'm just going to connect this right there down at the bottom. Alright, now we've got a very weird shape. Then if you start right after the kind of bump in your eye, the point in your eye, if you start right after that is where I normally start. I usually start right about here. And I usually connect it right before I get to the point. It's looking a little messy right now, but it'll get better. I connect it right before I get to the point so that the point stays, pointy and doesn't get too thick. Also, if you guys have noticed, I'm not moving in just one single motion, which if you practice enough, you probably can, and sometimes I can do that, but for me, it's usually easier to just lightly go back over it until I've got it the way I want it. Now that we have a very weird shape, we are going to fill in this little area right here so it's a smooth line. I like using this liner because it has a brush tip and I feel like it makes it so much easier, almost as if you're painting on your eye, which I mean you kind of are. Now if you grab some excess product, then we're just going to fill in the wing. If you get any tiny little bumps or imperfections, I always use a damp Q-tip to wipe those off. I don't know why they call them Q-tips. They're not shaped like Q's. I'm not quite happy with this part. It still looks a little flat, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more over it. I get a lot of compliments on my wings, and what you guys don't know is this is my lazy eye. It's very hard for me to see, and I have very, very shaky hands. So if I can do this, you can do this, I promise. And if you just add your favorite mascara, you've got a perfect everyday wing. Alright guys, I think that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hopefully this was helpful for you. I know that I've definitely struggled with doing wing liner in the past, but I get so many compliments on it now and people ask me, how do you do that? And I'm just like, well, it's pretty simple, but it still takes a lot of practice. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's pretty easy. You just, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications because I post videos every Saturday. And I will plan to see you guys next Saturday. Bye! A winged eyeliner tutorial. Dang it, Alex.